So this right here is the pedal box, the real one. They say don't buy the pedal commander. I see a lot of bad reviews on the pedal commander. I haven't really seen no bad reviews on this, but I'm gonna attempt to install this myself. I'm gonna attempt. I mean, it's like pretty easy, 3 steps. Peel this back. The instructions is back here. They say all you do is unhook the little cords from your throttle, hook that in, hook the other piece in, and then set it up. It's simple. Okay, listen y'all, I got it a loose. Whole time I was struggling trying to wiggle this thing out, listen, I had done got mad. I'm telling you, I was boiling hot. But something told me to look at this, cause this one got to come out the same way as the other one do. Whole time it's a clip that you push in and it'll pull right on out. Man, so what you do is you take one of these, plug that into one of these, and you plug this into wherever you took that out of. So yeah, I'm about to do that. I ain't gonna show y'all that because y'all can figure it out yourself just like I did. Okay, so I got everything hooked up, everything clipped in right. Let me zoom, focus in. Come on, focus. Y'all, I got a lot going on here. Help me, y'all gotta bear with me. I got everything hooked in right, I think. I pushed it in, it clicked. I pushed it in to make sure it was tight. So we're gonna get to the tuning part. I think it's just 2 other steps and that's it. They say black people don't read directions. Y'all see, you know, I'm reading my directions. I don't watch the videos for this. I don't know how many times. Hold on, let me get my stuff. I didn't try to get my address. But yeah, we done finished step 1. We done did step 2. Now we're going to step 3. So I can ride, but then I thought about it. That'll be a waste of an outfit because I ain't gonna be able to really get out and do nothing because, you know, hold on, so y'all don't get to complaining. Put my seatbelt on. But like I was saying, I ain't gonna be able to do nothing because the window's still busted, and I'm not just gonna leave my car sitting out there with the window busted and ain't nobody in there but my little mask. But back to this pedal box. Yo, you barely have to push the gas. I'm apologize for that noise. Or should I just take that down? I think I'm gonna just take that down. Y'all, you barely have to push the gas and the car is like already on go. Like I said, I drive in track mode and I got the pedal box in red, level 3. I'm guessing red means track. Like that right there, that was I'm only going like 10 coming from a stoplight. And it's like this, basically it feels like it's my first time driving a Scatpack. I'm gonna try to give y'all a good example of how this feels. Man, come on. Alright, let's say you just getting out of, I'm gonna just use my car for example. An Impala, a LS Impala. You know that's a 4-cylinder. And it's your first time ever driving a Scatpack. That's how it feels. It's like whenever you first step on the gas, like that, you don't know how much to give it, because you know whenever you get in like a little 4-cylinder, you know, you just go ahead and press it. It's nothing. So you applying that same pressure. Now you jerking. I'm about to take that cover down. I'm gonna thug it out. Hey man, what you gonna do? Whoa, y'all heard that? Whoa. Oh, let me take this cover down. I was struggling trying to unhook that connector from the pedal. Whole time, all you have to do is push in a little clip part, and it'll just pull right on out. When I tell y'all I was pissed, listen, I kept wiggling, and it wouldn't come out. I started trying to snatch it out. It wouldn't come out. I got mad. So I said, forget it. I got in the car. I went home. I was like, nah. I'm not going to go home. I'm going to try to do it myself. Alright, so there's another connector that falls down after you pull down the little panel piece that I had pulled down. I think that was connected to the brakes. I ain't sure. So I was like, if I can see how this disconnect, then that should be able to disconnect the same way. So, bam. Smart me. Looked at it and I seen that it was a clip. I like, okay, if this got a clip, then the other one gotta have a clip. And there it was. Took it loose in 0.222 seconds. That's it. But I hooked it up myself finally. Set it up. It takes no longer than 2 minutes to set it up. Whenever I first got in, or whenever I first took off driving, you could feel the difference, but like I said, I always drive in track mode. I just took it straight to the red. To the red, to the highest number that it'll go. I think it's track 3, that's what I'm gonna call it. The red is track 3. Because that's what it is on our red, on our performance stuff means track. Back there, because just now I was spinning like crazy. If you watch my last video, I did the same thing at the same exact spot, same exact weight. You know, it was just straight. I didn't spin at all, but I was spinning like crazy just now. But I'm not gonna prolong this. Listen, if you want to be, well, feel a little faster and a little louder for a small fee of $300-something, get you a pedal box. You can hook it up yourself or hook it yourself. I ain't got no check engine light, and I hooked it up myself, you know. Less than 2 minutes. Listen, y'all, it is fun. Just from the first time I drove it, I cut it off. I had to cut it back on because I was already used to the feeling that it had gave me. So listen, get y'all a pedal box. Little simple minds. Get you a pedal box. Get your mid mufflers deleted. You'll be louder and you will feel so much faster. Oh, and did I tell y'all it opens up your exhaust? Like, I get more crackle pops now. Usually, I get most of my pops like in the morning time, especially like if I'm going through town and it's like, you know, stores on both sides. I don't know if it's got something to do with the wind flow or whatever it is, but that's where I get most of my pops at. Like, get on it, there you go. But like I said, I ain't gonna prolong this. I'm gonna do another video. This video been going 12 minutes. So I'm about to end this video because I need to enjoy my ride on the way to my location.